Yo ala baraka bake mbadin gambian kolo ala baraka bake atul mele alon ko alwe jibero ke kan sain ten alnala bro alam sirfo sonko eke bayo sonko a komendal da ka ke nyamen dorong an sain ba kila wala nyama tumala me alon ko bi fana mulun dole ti gambia tariko kono o me alon ko luma ya lon ko gambia fonsoro mu bi nyon lungol leti luma ya lon ko gambian ko ya decide finally ko ila katso e manta ka di mola bari ba dila mena wala mu His Excellency Alaji Usainu Abubakar Numukunda Dabo Gambian ko ya decide ko la karto ba dila men na wala mu His Excellency Alaji Usainu Abubakar Numukunda Dabo oto kontano kamado na je konta sila no fonna na don ning Gambian ko le kacha ko men ka dal ning Gambian ko le kacha nyamen dorong bi fanan ning Gambian ko bo kacha kilon le kala nyoy dorong bi kacha mu men wala nyindu ko wino de bay no la bay balo wino de bay no la bay balo anum membe je wala nyindu ko akoy ta Gambian kolbe mala ko wino ta bayno la baye balo wino ta bayno la baye balo very well ni ayen ko wino ta bayno la baye balo mbe yalo ne ko membe ke wala nyindu ko wino ta bayno la baye balo waye wino ta bayno la baye balo mbe yolon wala nyindu ko bi najele mol findita ye million ta Gambian ko la kodo kono ye million jamata ya bondi ya sika ya dundi munto the million sika ye dundi pour ka alma dum bondina bin crowd la bedo ke samana just because milaka title ko they are competing crowd e ko ni juma le crowd competition la e ko ni dole UDP ko le crowd competition la but même ko ta wala nyindi ko UDP dole manka alma nyoti même be ko wala nyindi ko dole manka wo mol ma nyoti dole manka wo mol fulanti dole symbole bo mol kan wala juma wala mu e ka famele ko national puntum pantam party national turbulence party national everything party ndol manka al fulanti ndol lakwol sera lakwol tile ndol sembo wata sembo tile so it's very important pour gambian ko li alonko to nyata atol mo molet meli alonko ndol manka al metti al mol nyini al mol ma mol meli alonko wala mal ma nyolti mar gambian ko lu nyaaje bimbe kontan nimbake gambian ko la tentu bake na gambian ko tentu bake dolbe je yala ajolom bake. Now understand ne, and we have a lot of evidences from different groups, from different people. Many alonko, ye kodo le dila pour just the taking nomination on your attend. Many alonko ye kodo le dila just to go and attend this nomination. But nevertheless, banko di mo me alonko be son na ye kodo dila pour la nomination on attend. Ida mo moldi me alonko ila banko ni iman la fala. Ila banko ni iman la fala. Because minakada yekodo la siyandi banko la ila samati ni yekodo fisandi la samati. This is the kind of thing me along is going to happen. But member ko en gambian ko be matron so wala wala nyindu ko nyaaye menje ni atara wolem we have already win do nyaaye men nyaay menje kafo membe kumba sila noma ni atara wolam wallahi UDP we have already won the election yamira patijal Party tang anin feng. Wala kafuta nyoma just for one party, just to stand against one party. Party tang anin feng. Wala kafuta nyoma just to fight against one single party. Just ka party kilo da don ka kile. Party tang anin feng ni banko kanja. O party tang anin feng B. Wala kafuta nyoma. Wala la mobilization ka from all levels. Because yung party ya long, ya make sure leko ye better fund ya la nyama, ye la mun mobilize the way they have to mobilize them. Yes. Party tang anything. All these parties, make sure loco, they give them enough resources for kajako ila more down rending, mari transport kasa mananjang. In all the way around, politically nyajibe, in all the way around, psychologically nyajibe, iba understand loco, nul. Right now, it's only Keba Kotol Milialonko. They are supporting them. But anybody you know that is supporting NPP, as we are speaking, it's all been transported from Basse, from CRR, from wherever in this country. Yeah, based someone just for this nomination. Mbealonko UDP is a political party. It's an opposition party. Mbealonko UDP, Bankola na fulo mantanambulu, but Banku don't lakodo, the wallet and phone lakodo, no lakafunyoma, can namon mobilize from all over the region. But yet still, MPP man nakafo bit no. Ita bit la no. Presambaro na fo en ko ko ani Gambia na flo be la sika ya be di ko nakafo me bond la ita bond la no. But ay ila mo kamina kamfa. Alaji manka wala ka fongo ki alaji manka wala mo la PR. Beya kalam tan jena the same alaji manka it's the same person meya lonko ye wala jo projet ila projet do ñu ta keta kebe video ka tan dunya bela. But why? Alaji manka na I drone ota a UDP la na ndola fonko ndola nomination I drone ota la I pito ki UDP la nomination alaji manka la drone ota le I pito ki Gambia be nyaayo pito jël bi ni na jamane la bang kibar bolto ibatar la ko UDP la nomination na pito me ya lonko drone le ata jamane la bang bolto na Facebook olto na WhatsApp olto na social media dula beto ni daraja as we are speaking UDP la drone picture you will find it there but alaji manke drone ota la picture ta NPP la picture but NPP call friend na be comparing ko alaji mankalo drone picture is not fair. And in fact, they were attacking Kerfadu because Kerfadu Alaji Manka la picholeta. Kerfadu go credited from Alaji Manka. Eka Kerfadu attack go Kerfadu mu ker UDP. Why? Kerfadu is not the person me along wole pichoninta. Alaji Manka wole pichoninta. And Alaji Manka is working. Alaji Manka is working for NPP. Alaji Manka be doko keka NPP le. Gambian kolbe yolande. Allah documentary me albado laka is the same alaji manka me alongo wala ya doku wala ya be footage out beta wala video beta wala picture beta the documentary me alongo albado laka even alaji nomination advado ni mumo alaji nomination advado the same alaji manka wala ya dada that the same alaji manka is the same person me alongo wala drone picture ta ya bula fanyo kono alkamina kamfa and people call alkamina kamfa but isa fal nata abu kumbola Esa fal na rabe kumbolo go politiko ni momo ya milonu na fulo kodo ibo wala usla to politic Gambian people you are deceiving yourself. Gambian call realize what is the future of this country. Gambian funding call understand what is good for them, what is good for their tomorrow. The youth of this country have decided their future. Esa fal na da fulo akumboda. Esa fal ko ako ay motol mel luas ay modol mel jo already ako NPP ko ta ka motol leto nati e jo 5000 NPP ko ke debul Gambian ko lokodo esa fal ko ay motol mel luas ade esa fal ay motol mel ta ay luas ako NPP ko le ta ka motol yulta ka motol yul muta ke ta na e jo 5000 na NPP ko ka wol jo $10,000 la just pour mele ke pour to lew motol beta bibi lala itala base garage ibata la jelo ko motol mel be base garage NPP ko ya be luas bibi lala as we speaking motol mel ya ko be base garage oto NPP ko le motol be luas le as we speaking any supporter NPP mentioned in Basse. As we are speaking, NPP call your supporters on you make sure you be transport all the way from Basse. Momo Mukarte pilot. One could say that. Because only people in Malayalong, a man na kabonam Basse. These are only people in Malayalong, a book travel, maybe in Alpha, Kotol Malayalong, they are supporting NPP, but still so. But Momo Yalong funding Cholam, NPP call them, so they provide transportation for them. Okay, someone just for this nomination. So Gambian Kolu now, those who have not decided who is the winning party, now you can see the truth. Gambian Kola na fulo be NPP la bulu. Gambian Kola rankeso be NPP la bulu. Gambian Kola kodo be NPP la bulu. Gambian Kola fuelo me alonko. Wala ka motolu samba abe NPP la bulu. In fact, masakunda la motolu fongol me alonko. Masakunda motolu lem ye muta ye 6 in Denton Bridge. Masakunda la motolu. Imandang ka motolu luas Gambian Kola kodola. But masakunda fongol la motolu ye bulo la wolle fongol pour just for nomination. Mansala moto. Mansala motolu. Ntol be la motolu. MPP call ye bulo la wol be la just for their nomination, just to pull crowd. But ala manke sino man said. Ala manke sino man said. Ali alla ferol kel Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala nyanda man kala ayake. Ali Gambian call na fulol siga, ali Gambian call kodol siga, ali dundi mina kunto Gambian call. Wallahi summa wallahi, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will always be there for the Gambians. Na fale ko nyim banko duwa jabi nyim banko mu duwa jabi banko let nyim banko mu duwa jabi banko let momo ko be nyim banko kasarala Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be la kasarala bar nyim banko nyi to kasarala no Gambian ko la nafulo be Gambian ko la rankeso be Gambian ko la munafa be abebe mun tole abebe president barola NPP la bul. Then President Barolo, the same MPP as we are speaking, that is the MPP me anko be wole nomination okay. Ya Gambian call na fulo sika ya dundi bata rokono. Ya Gambian call na fulo sika ya mutol luas dulal beto, mutol melka luas 5,000 na MPP call yo mutol luas. There is a will time just to transport their people from all over the country. But wallahi na ala tentu. Wala na mbe ala dan na UDP ko be mbe ala tentu. Ala la be kelo ke kanyi. Ala lebe kelo ke kam Gambian kole ala lebe kelo ke kam molye mol mel yalon ko they are have their sense mol mel yalon ko elaftanim bankola momo elaftanim bankola wallahi summa wallahi Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will always stand for you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will always fight for you. You can see it in the eye of the president because President Barrow expect logo he was not expecting such kind of crowd right now abe yaay kam sato kono and remember folk am left the Gambian ko be understand. Remember folk am left the Gambia do be understand what exactly I am saying. Hey, Gambians, Allah understand. Lume ya lon ko UDP ka bonang. Lume ya lon ko UDP ko ka bonang ila UDP ko ka nationwide tola. Wallahi summa wallahi alazim. Ana madu men findira ka bo bilkama. Bilkama sasado da makono ana madu men findila bilkama kono kana busumbala kana farato wallahi ana madu sondo mo be fon bala ibala nako UDP mu ñon tawle ban nomination lu ana madu men findita mo be yalla ko UDP mu ñon tawle bari sa hakil du Gambia jonali sol ila ka fo nyimme na be kullu sado kono ala hakil tu ila ka foto gale ko UDP ni kafo men dunta kabri kapo nam basse because UDP no kafo dunta nyolal kabo nam bilkama ko le ben dum do menke o damma nyanda kata ne Gambian ko le ko Gambians have decided. Okay, right now the mind game let the Gambian ko le men understand mind game wonen ka tulum mol la hakilola lefta Gambian ko le moy bake lefta Gambian ko le lamane hakilola mina dinkra men politique politiko ñew ne binto ya faale ko tol be sirin wala la kaje ko politiko ñew ne o bantale politiko ñew ne o bantale politiko ñew ne o bantale no faale le motam mo ne la ñim banko kam ko nga as we are speaking momo ya mira no be mo ne la ñim banko kan ne ke fa ne kabiri UDP ko na nomination wala ntolu kabrin kana nana nim pipeline la kabrin nata police le bagra joke kabrin police le break joke e break joke da mon the first break joke me yake pour je ka fola siya kama break joke nyim police le ayele we move to the next breakage Fadu Camara wurta QTV eso nyasi o dindim furu o dindim kulubalo afana wurta QTV la nafiko me alongo sidi sise and ko me alongo be siri la panel do ibe wurta e nafiki akumol fo bar ala mo man sabalti ala katara jondi wole dugo kafola sembo la woro kama kafo nyen kanol kafo man kungo dula nyindo police le bunda yele kafo muftana bar anama dugo be nyaaje la kafo men bodin gra nyindo UDP la kafo nyi na tana mileke ya alay Usainu Bula tambita discipline ya alay Usainu Bula tambita ya moto ya bunda yele ali la moy Gambian ko la de respect ko nin ko discipline sa en ka wala fo e ko discipline. If you have a discipline and if you have respect for your leader, when your leader is coming, you can tell it. UDP la leader tumala me alongo say mobe tara say e ko na leader la kata na chance di police la le bunda yele na leader bulata moto la moto anana moto tambita wallahi mo man break jo nyimuta ka ba mo man barajo nyimuta ka break bar bimbe nyaajele president barola mo first barajo nyim ya break le the first barrage ya break le police le kuntunta o menke kuntunte folo me ya lonko wala beje president barola mo ya break le e murtana de move to the next barrage. In fact, if the next barrage you find il left the ko fanan tay il left ko fanan break police me control no ye mirade president baro na la sojarol president baro na la police e na ko nga police me ya lonko wala fanan be IEC they could not break them because of why because of arrogancy but journalist Albert Dering QTV journalist Albert Dering Albania ajel what president baro have done ala mole menke bi jumala maje wala na nyim banko journalist dolu fanna haklo fi do bat mbe nyaajele jumala nyamoje president baro in fact president baro la moto fo man song ay tambi because of arrogancy because of violence because of momolu me yalon ko mbe ni yalon ningo fitino isama ko UDP ko mo fitna mo len but UDP ko sondal ila party leader ala moto ay tambi without breaking the barrage. Where is Fadu Camara? Where is Esau Nyasi? Where is Sidi Sise? QTV. Fadu Network, Muskumba Network, and then Nafik TV. Albania Bala. They were pressing. And when Kabriba Fokane, Kulum, I was listening to the analysis. Esau Nyasi about Foka ko ha ni MPP call nada, Wolbert Taylor, they will come with discipline. But be a fella say nyaji abespino jibe kan afon nyaji ya barrage you break and even the second barrage of they want to break it about the president if only the president me alongo in another the president was unable to move in his car but we respect our leader UDP wallahi nakafo sara nyawa we respect our leader we don't want our leader to walk from that distance but president Barrow mo jibe imam president Barrow bunya e man police wolu buña e man security buña wala Gambia security la ala hakil na faale ko ñun Gambia banko dim kuro ñun Gambia banko momo yalon ko ñun Gambia banko kanya mole me yalon ko akungo jatale atlem maliata mo la fi ñun banko la abeba kafulu NPP la banko din kendolu banko dingul mel yalon ka kumo moy wala be UDP wallahi azim police wolu ala mun to terleti police al munto la brotherly, police al munto la family. We will always respect you and we will always follow the order. Gambian call left a minute. But Ali Jibel, pardon na do commence fait. Pardon na do commence fait inside. QTV la journalist all the they were pressing the president like pressing us. They were pressing NPP like pressing us. NPP would be come. Wallahi, summa wallahi. Kabri UDP call a buy radio in break. The camera 2 TV betel. The camera for network betel. But B, President Barola Mol Fellet, they were about to break 2 barrage. Barrage full of yellow break. President Baro Kabra I can do okay. They have break the next barrage. Minat in the 2 TV las Esa single nyasi, Minat na Amofo. Minat na Sidi Sise, Minat na Almofo. Gambian kolu ngadi amatolle Gambian kolu ngadi amatolle wallahi ñim banko be tembo men kono nim momo mu Gambia banko din kendodi itala kato sikala kadi patio me ka fole NPP Gambia na fiki parti na lonne ye banko na flo sika ya de drive la ye banko na flo sika ya de journalist la ye banko na flo sika ya di mol le mel ya lonko they are just nongole mutu wherever you go about they were distributing money they were distributing t-shirts but anya mato me ko they live in the street billahi wallahi tallahi mo me alonko alma ala abonna kan kanala akelan tala bitu ko nyaatlo wala billahi wallahi tallahi t-shirt saba yola diala t-shirt saba mo me akela bantal billahi wallahi taala suma wallahi lazim banda akela wolto ton table akela jimba wala akela jimba wala for more than how many years akela jimba wala and people call t-shirt saba yola siga ya diala I have the video but I even share the video Mome ya longo kela jimmola anu be yallo ko en electoral lo nyamato mo boka carte o di wala alma ala abunda kan kayrola but mina kada because of desperation na ibe kataw di kan nyamato la ibe kataw di kan karam na dinnul mel yallo ko carte kasa fo man tare bulu and in fact ya fo they were spreading this news ko there is no school. They were spreading this news so there is no school. So kano dinul mele alon ko fon kay kartlemantare bulu. They gave him t-shirt. Jumala nyamod. Every Gambian have seen that. Gambian ko lu media makatolle. So sain kafo me alon ko dole betu ko sado ko asala fil dije. Ndol la kafo nak kabrim baw sen kalendita. Ndol la kafo nak as UDP kabrim baw sen kalendita because mele kan ton la ran pipeline kabrim la ran pipeline na police oli la baragi yela baragi ke kabri aje ko say most yatale ye baragi bula move to the next level and you can see it in the video you can see it in the picture kabrim move to the next bridge Gambian kolu gambi UDP kolu UDP tin kendol melial e ko mo moy ilota wolato UDP nyanda kala amount of people min dundi yol dundi sonko manke fitna manke kabri wato sida pour na parti lila la moto eta il faut na moli e mako ye barage yele na parti lila la moto tambita Allahu akbar ñinam kulwoti ñinam banku din kende yati na parti lila memu right honorable ala usenu numukunda dabo atata kala nomination oke ay nomination oke pour ça ay diamu presse among times no ka diam presse because minakata Jonli Sol be sharing, Jonli Sol be left ka nyimenka, Jonli Sol man wato di nyola, and at that time it was not organized the way they organize it now. Because me and no morning, Jonli Sol science and thing, Memotar right now they have put something there me alongo. All the party leaders ni nata ike sichole kalo damundo Jonli Sol buka futoto. But kabin to la party leader bidanu interview kekan. There was no podium. But science and the podium o kajele podium me alon ko nim parti li lalu niela nomination kayto nyim beke e kana wulo wolto nila support solo but kabi UDP ko bitaje time o menna o tumo e man podium o kaje but because kabin gal taraje donc joni sole ma ka menke na parti li lama interview fo so no aya start don ya kuntu because même premier wala ñu ko joni sole ñu me fam comport the way they have to comport themselves many of the journalists I'm not saying all the journalists at all. So wayati na pateli la memu right honorable Alhaji Ousainou Abubakar Numukunda Dabo amanna na foka diamu journalist sole but ka bring nomination wakata Alhaji Ousainou narna la ka diamu journalist sole Alhaji Ousainou narna la ka diamu journalist sole because ndana interview sotole anu kel pari fana na interview sotole but bimbe tammo men kono neata la gambe journalist solu imutonya fola leti ya president malo ñilin gaale kay ko Gambian ko la president muteledi Gambian ko la kaka faytale laftale fana yela assis kay ko la Ousainou Dabo ko pour yela assis declare to Gambian people pour yela soto fonfe yalon ko del tamu bayi la Gambian ko la banko dila o fonfe yalon ko del tamu ñim banko di laftale fonfe del tamu ñim banko kan laftale ya janjang Gambian ko be ñaaje ay mina foye ako if it is the law of the IEC namanga IEC la loi ade is not going to declare jono sol ala safe jonli solo ala safe Gambian call bi Gambian call namara wala tinna na QTV call moy siditu ebe diamu kan ko ha ni ajem be president baro development no fola ni ajem bala development no fola because atele modi me alon ko Gambian call ya kataw suka yadi atele par sai Gambian call ya kataw suka yadi president baro la sai mar la konti bola par mina tinna alma konti bo ala fungola soto fengol Usain Dabo ko aya fa ko Usain Dabo la sort of form of ni aya fo Gambian call yele Usain Dabo is not the president as we expected amanga president odi Gambian call man kagaw suka kadi ala folo but ako for them mala sort of form ni banko kan ako is ready to declare and Usain Dabo sort of form ni aya be declare to the Gambian people Fawbe yalo Usain Dabo tamu aya fo Gambian call yele korda men babulu moto men babulu and even table men bala bun kono aya be declare to the Gambian people hey ñinam president yati hey ñinam banku din kende yati ay be challenge ako momo yalo ko elata Gambia la momo yalo elata Gambia ko yela katawo suka yadi la alay Usain ko ela assess ela soda famo alay Usain ko ya declare alay Usain ko ela soda famo pour ya declare abo Gambia ko le ko ñina muntade ba president manoko ala soda famo amanta declare to Gambian people Allahu akbar Gambian ko momo yela to ñim banko la iya momo yalon ko ya kataw di wala la momo yalon ko yela kataw di wala la 2016 yela kataw suka ya fay wala 2016 bi Gambian ko kay ko laftale la sura fa bayi do lafal na kataw la fay to ke muta lafta ya declare to the Gambian people ako no is not going to declare it. Gambian ko corruption na dara de tuya to Gambian ko buñale atoya to isonda ko eman suna roke isonda ko eman Gambian ko na pulo kasara isonda ko bi to men beta bulu ni la Gambian ko le banko dila banko le loi ni la ko you declare your assets to the public to Gambian ko be momo mu Gambian ko de momo mu nyim banko dimudi inyanda kele assets declare to them but mina na president Barrow ko amanta assets declare to the Gambian people and you still want us to vote for president Barrow ala sota fengo akwa amanta declare to the Gambian people and wallahi suma wallahi momo mu nyim banku dumudi yela kata o suga yadi president Barola alon ko ka tulungi dingol la ani mamarul because the future of your children your daughters momo ya alon ko itala badi wala mati wala nyata ala sama e ka tulu wala la suma wallahi alazim but gambe jonli so alle president Baroko ala sota fengo amanta declare to the Gambian people ala sort of ako amanta declare to the Gambian people and you are still calling people to vote for that person QTV la journalist so kan ka ko ha ni ajem bal development fo la bugo atle mod men ko nyanda ka kontibo parce que ala kontibo say ata fongo e men soto ka ba kire man say ala kontibo ata fongo soto fongo la say Gambian ko ala kontibo ata fongo la soto fongo la ala kontibo ala sota fewol momo yalon ko banko di wursay president Barrow nya anyanta ka president Barrow should be the number one person men nyanta ka Gambian ko be challenge ka fo ko lefta momo lefta nyim banko nyinda Gambian ko ala fa mariya ko ala sota fewol aya declare if you love your people if you respect your people when they ask you to declare your assets you must declare it if you love your people you want to develop the country and your countrymen said we want you to declare your assets to the public. Why? If you trust yourself, if you are not involved in the corruption, if you are not involved in the corruption, why not come and declare your assets to the Gambian people? Because it is the request of the Gambian people that they want you to declare your assets. But because your government is corrupt, your government office, many of your officers are corrupt, and you don't want to declare your assets to the Gambian people. But memang for the Gambian Koli, and then kafo membe ya kana mota. Wallahi arkana mota. But albajalale kafo kono dinni wo jelle bo kafo kono albajalo wo kafo kono nyama do jelle bo kafo kono albajalo kafo kono kamda dinni wo me alon ko carte keso man trabul wo jelle bo kafo kono. Oh, very good, thank you. Albajala Gambia dungo jelle bo ka foko non badi Gambian ko alal hakiltu momo yalon ko lafta nyim banko le se hakiltu ila carte rek so kuma ta bak but Essa Faal and President Barrow, they are all doing the same way. Ngale ko nafulo kodo nafulo momo ya minanum momo ya lon ko ya minanum nafulo wala be gambien ko tala be gambien ko sanna wala ke fon nenel momo ya minanum nafulo kodo be gambien ko nenel wala ke fon nenel be ajele Essa Faal is using money. President Barrow is using money. So money plus money. That's why they fight. Hey, Nyaja Ale Essa Faal nomination. Ale ya bendi with discipline President Barrow. God knows why. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I don't know why Essa Faal nomination in President Barrow nomination ben. Because the same people Melkata Essa Faal, the same people will let President Barrow. The same people Melkata President Barrow, the same people will let Essa Faal. Because Meliba and Noma, they only believe in money. Kodo elata udamal. Mol meli alonko, wolebe Essa Faal Noma, or more kilo wolebe President Barrow Noma, and the wall manla kenna na mankena float. Kodo elata walala. The city of Banjul is empty today. Benya Ajel will President Barrow is good. After Banjul. Mol meli alonko, wolebe Essa Faal Noma. The same people will live President Barrow Noma. Molmeli Alonko will live President Barrow Noma. The same people will live Essa Faal Noma. Yes? Because they all believe in money. Ibe man life in the Fokodo. But you can see it in his eye. The president is not happy about the crowd. Because President Barrow and Fulomen bond just for this nomination. I know I don't know. No. This was not what I was expecting. I was expecting a bigger crowd than this. You can see it in his face. You can see it in his face that the guy is not happy. Because the number of people he was expecting Amawoje. Because I economy bondi, the money they have invested, imagine all this contract Hadim Yemendi Hadim la, Yokodomendi Hadim la, Yokodomendi, all these contractors, they are all sponsoring President Barrow. Gambisara Construction Limited is sponsoring President Barrow. Hadim J is sponsoring President Barrow. Jigo Construction is sponsoring President Barrow. All of them. Well, na Gambian Kolu sit on the Hakilola. I know. When Essa Faal interview, okay? If you go to QTV, put Gambian Kola understand how dangerous is QTV. The way they were looking at the contents of Essa Faal's interview, Essa Faal at Diamoni, even Wajibe Kanyamen, the way they were translating it, then Ajibe, the way they were translating President Barrow's interview, you can understand that these people are really biased. These people are really biased because Essa Faal at Diamokele. And Sidi Cisse, he even attacked Essa Faal. Sidi Cisse of all. And Essa Faal attack. I come over Essa Palma. But why now? When President Barrow said it's not going to decline access to the public, why Sidi Cisse Milagnal Mofo? Why Mr. Nyasi Milagnal Mofo? Why Alu Cisse Milagnal Mofo? And you were attacking Essa Faal. For Essa Faal to say that if Gambian people have not changed this government, many people are not coming, will not come to this country to invest. And it's quite true. They are not going to be Bankobe Temboman right now, the Bankobe level right now, the level of corruption, the level of bribery, the level of tribalism, the level of divide and rule. Gambian people, market people, rich people will not take their money to come and vote, to come and invest into this country because the country is at a crossroad. Adam ani ko abangam buja abadi ata dan le sai buja ta dan la falu ba buja buja itu ata. So Gambian people, Major Fokale, and I want everybody to understand this. We are winning. Wallahi, we are winning. Nimo Malana say, let's go to election now. We not a buy no. We not a buy no la buy balo. We not a buy no la buy balo. Lawyer Hussein Dabo. We not a buy no la buy balo. We know they buy no la buy balloon. We know they buy no la buy balloon. Lawyer Hussein Dabuna Telewo. We know they buy no la buy balloon. We know they buy no la buy balloon. We know they buy no la buy balloon. Lawyer Hussein Dabo. We know they buy no la buy balloon. This is the fact. We know the Bible no. They will cry blood. They will do everything. They will do all kind of sacrifice. But we know the Bible no. Never on earth. We know the Bible no. Never on earth. Never. Never on earth. Now, the tourism minister, the most corrupt person in this country, the most corrupt person in this country, tourism minister Ahmed Ba. Ako 90% of corruption allegation on Melialonko. Ako 99% of corruption allegation. Melialonko jamul kafa about his Barros government. Ako is all fallacy. 9 at least Ahmed Ba. Ako 99% of the corruption practices coming for against Barros government. Ako is not true. But Gambians knows that Ahmed Ba is completely lying to the public. He himself is the most corrupt person in this country. The most corrupt person in this country is Ahmed Ba. Every Gambian knows that he is the most corrupt person in this country. But because Milakada, ala corruption, ala nafikia, ala takawole mabo, ala sunyaro, ala takawole mabo. Ay sunyaro men kenyim banko kan. Ahmed Ba mu sunguleti. President Barrow mu sunguleti. All of them, yena banko na fulota ya kasarale. And we all know where the monies are. We have our proofs and evidence. Look, the Senegalese journalists. Look, the Senegalese journalists, Gambians eyes are open. Hey, Gambians are not stupid. Gambian call yalon alena kodo kedamento. Ale mo la kodo sunyale anum bi fo ngale na fulo men dama dépense. Gambian call la kodo kono mbi yalon ko. Look, who are you deceiving? Almontan don't deceive kam. Almontan don't deceive kam. But Janibela no yellow drum. The main thing drum, Janibela no yellow. Gambian Kolum left a carton la yamar. President Barrow fele, a mol jokodola, ye motol ki Gambia Abdullah, ye motol ki Jeffon, motol Bejefon, or motol Fong Bejefon, or Mamosoro, but yet still they rent them. A Mamosoro just because the Malaf is a fall and Motosoro. Is a fall from Lola Ayafo. Now, maybe New Dipun call Lafo, Mosafo, Fanny Island, but Moto the Gambia Kono, ya Belu Asla, another Motoma Mosika. Ye Modol Luasle, ye Modol did grab Beleto, but Mulakata Moto Kensan Belorinje, Ansai, a Moto Kensan Nuru, a Mammosa of a Mensicala, il a moved out on the Mayalongo, NPP supporters all man, ye be someone in the nomination ground. But ye be someone Yama nomination ground Okono, a man UDP la Caposi. UDP a Capoman Fintin in nomination or Emma Fintin. Emma Fintin, the Gambian Kobe Jele, and no party tongue. Party tang wala kafuta nyoma men sera party tanti wala kafuta nyoma just against one single party and now loko party odol beje nomination of Mokele, they are going to join NPP. But among UDP movement, among Gambian call movement, because Gambian call the Panaka Katosaka, Kadi UDP la, what I know, they are no party old back of Yoma, but UDP is ready to move. Ilo be among UDP Sambadula, Ilo be among UDP Sambadula, Ilo be among UDP movement. UDP in number we are winning and our we know at a Bible Bible inshallah. But Barinka Jamu Gambian call the Carmileka, Kafoka Adamadun Doltale. Dolla kafo kabila nomination okay bindan Joshua Nala. Many of the people many along in nomination blado they all went to the stadium and sit there and wait for us. Bari kabilim for the stadium moto Gambian ko be nyaaje adama do membe the stadium ko. Adama do membe the stadium ko be nyaaje because sumna kata dol kamna nomination okay dol mamur where the crowd was but continue la kata munto kadun Joshua kono kata Westfield. Whilst we were going, Mobe Yajala, Adamadu Nanka Momem, Dolbe Joshua Kono, when the convoy, Kabin convoy, Joshua Nabaka Silokam, already more federal Joshua Namanabaka, Mina Sabu Kafola Siani. Kafobe Joshua Misiloto, Kafobe, already Kafota pipeline. But while many of the crowd, Adamadin Jama, Bebe Series Stadium, Ibn Baton Kanje. So Nimmo Nyai President Maroja, another Kafomu Bay. Ibebe tamaka nyola kadun sera kunna kono al sitane hakilola al salon ko kafo me nabe tamaka wala mula kafo dawodi wala kafo me alon ko no dam mala bita no dam mala bita buba zone bari bita buba zone gambe ko al bajelele al bela buba zone jelele anu al UDP ko la mito men kana stadium mo al bo fana jelele al balo no jelele ko to nyata je per kunun no mamonde dolu manke fulawonti gambian ko so crowd is not our problem. Nankali wallahi suma wallahi President Barrow cannot compete with us on our crowd. Them crowd, we can pull more crowd than them, we can pull more crowd than any other political party in this country. And Manta Bankola Kodo Sunyala, Manta Bankola Kodo Mala, Manta so-called contractors just because they are they are looting our economy. So Gambian Kolo Asala Hatultu. Now Nyakafo Menjano Malalong is all fake crowd. Kafo Membano Dolbeje Ye Jole. Kafo Membano Dolbeje Ye Jole. They paid them. Ya Compino Dolbeje Ye Jole. They give them everything. Ya Compino. Imagine every Ya Compino was paid with your team. Ya Compino Jang. Go and ask them. Ya don't listen to Janko. Ya Compino Ye Jole just to come and attend meeting. And I have no day. I know Ya Compino Melialongo. Ya Fonye Ye Kalinyako. Imanta la Cardo file MPP. But because ikadama no men soto je to la to yala e fana malla alala but ye kal ko banko be levelmento itol mante la carte file MPP yan kal nyawlal but ko mina kede ko dole dila ko mina kede ye moto le dila ko mina kede ye tijaro le dila wallahi sankal alala ni momo malla la come and challenge me you go and meet some of those ya compinol ni hanita ka diamu they will talk but let's see. So we'll let them know Gambian call as I understand. The caravan is completely different with their caravan. But Hakilo bita diamond. Hakilo bita diamond sang Gambian call left the walla. Ninta la caravan la sign. The caravan when we were coming from Bolonkono, only the people of Birkama who Anamadu men from the Birkama Damakono, Melian Belusulaka, whatever was said in nomination. Only Birkama, I am telling you. Birkama dam manka wala fale adama do me yalon ko na caravano in Birkama nim momo la faka jibe na caravano dam ma in Birkama when we are coming ka bona nationwide tola yemira ka bona Birkama kembuje fokana bula Birkama ja oil adama do nan kamo membo dam ma do wodam ma kayante that alone cannot be competed with NPP's crowd today. But now they will attack each other. They will attack la. They will cameraman will attack la. They will journalist will attack la. Because in a picture member fit the social media. But unko, o journalist will, o cameraman will, kado ko katolle. UDP member fintindi, yola fintindi. UDP la picture member nya. Nim momo la taka UDP la picture je. WhatsApp group ko na bejele. Facebook ko na bejele. UDP la kafo mobe nya ojele and UDP la kafo is without no doubt. So Badul, so this is all what I have for you. Belano Yela, Momo Lefaka Command Rokela, 288-5588, 288-5588, 288-5588. Momo level can challenge ko number for. I don't have proofs. You can still call me this number. That's eco number for among the you can call me. We go anywhere in the debate kaje. I bring my proofs kaje ko NPP. More lebe kono mele alonko. They were have been paid. Nyamato lebe kono mele alonko. Nyamato mele alonko. Tisarol di wala nanko puri na la mabela bengolto. Nimmo malana. I mean, come on, brother. Let's go. I have my proofs. Ndabokana asim middle kajam kesanke. But I have videos. Mele alonko ibe tisaro di kan dinno wala. Ibe tisaro fay kan dinno wala. Nim banko mo wala fay halaki wala mo di mele alonko babulal MPP no ba. My final word, Gambia journalist show, the so-called journalists of this country, especially QTV, Fatu Network, Asal Hakilo to the back. QTV, Fatu Network, Star TV, Asal Hakilo to the back. Nilmu Network call mele alonko e man la Gambian call na pala. But mele kada post call network call le mood. Post on television la mood. Gambian call Asal Hakilo to the. Asal Hakilo to the back. Badul, this is all what I have for you. Nimbo wala faka call ka contribution okay 288-5588 288-5588 288-5588 direct number to sikala no nimbo dem call la WhatsApp la if you call me direct number to sikala no momo yon call direct number to sikala no. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Okay, UDP Media lang, ha?
Yeah, bismillah.
Okay. Nito comment tanong ka can you open the line please. Mbal UDP fans will be content na baba. I'm very happy today. Andungan UDP fans so fancy Adam Barola crowd get BB, you must be very happy and proud about it. This crowd I'm seeing today cannot be compared to UDP crowd.
Natural crowd. Again, go. Our crowd is natural. Look, let me tell you something. Our crowd is natural. Natural. Me alonko is like nobody is fake. People struggle to come. People more than struggle to have t-shirts. Our t-shirts we are not given to people. Natural crowd.
Ma evidence so UDP fans will be Samuel B. Ma evidence so me alonko my wife. Na wife association no kono kapolo kono me alonko is in Tanje. Ndela wife I'm from Tanje. Na wife ye kumandi meeting wala la kafonde. You know what they tell them? Yal name him for.
Okay.
Hello.
Memo go.
Kumandi meeting wala la kafonde iko ha like barona winda la flaka kafonde sponsor ke dondo kodola. So ye sokodola ko ba motol sambal now so that they can go and support Baro. And the all of those people are UDP. Will be UDP fans, but they are respond to but that does not mean that we are going to vote for them. We are going to vote for UDP because they make a UDP support. But come here, someone and they give to us. I think and we are going to disappoint them. Now, even though even you're happy, UDP, you are going to vote for UDP, but don't attend Barrow's nomination. Leave the other people to go. And all those people are 100% and different places all over the Gambia. That's what they are doing. They are sponsoring Kafos, they are 100% UDP just to attend this program, giving t-shirts to people just to show fake crowd like today.
Go. The president was not happy because you could have been debacle. If you look at his face. Go.
You are very close to I try IEC. Question them very much. IEC, coming credential will be submit to IEC. IEC the leader in Kabila Wilta. I mean, let's all UDP fans, let us all be focused. I think focus on Canon dial. Body language, Tamata would la battle, man of father like you figure. kabla ingredient will be submitted to the IEC, kabla dila IEC la franco ni ngul la ko president aka Mr. President, I have received your documents already. Aka ngal document will be received. Thank you very much and I wish you good luck. Fai wala ko yilo ya Hussein Dabwe ba as a president of IEC independent body fo yele nda pour kama wala nyama ba
no. Actually, I will for aka will for to all parties. Aka will for to the.
Sorry, President Barrow. That was not the same way. Thank you very much. I have received your documents. I wish you good luck. Thank you very much. Body language, go over the.
No. Actually, that point, I just want to make it clear. I mean, I meant for Baroe, the same thing. I will for I will for to all parties. I have to be very real in that. They my deliberation is always because nga party will be GBL. I meant for Baroe. I will for Daboe. I meant for to all political parties. The same thing. I will for Baroe. The only thing left the Gambian call Akilo di Medolo Nyuko. Barrow was pretending. Barrow was pretending. Barrow was pretending. Yeah. I just want to make this point very clear. Yeah, I just want to make this very clear. I just want to make this very clear.
We are winning and we are going to win. We cannot 2 months about this crowd today. We are winning Sirifo and we are going to win this election. We are 100% sure about it.
Inshallah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. I just want to make this point very clear. Left or wrong, and it's good that you remind the caller. You remind me this point. Left like a point callers, just 1 minute after I will call by the call Tala. I just want to make this point very clear. I just want to make this point very clear to the listeners because callers, just a minute. I'll also do 1 minute. I just want to make this point very clear because it's important. Left a Kanyum point don't make very clear. Aluma Marinjai, I meant for President Baroe. I will offer to all political parties. But if you go to the video, Aliajibe, video are available. I meant for all parties solely. I will for President Baroe Fane. Aka Tanjila ko nila kaito be receivele. Nila kaito mankila tapo ko janin lunka in samana. I will offer to all political parties here and I commented level nyuko. We will come back to you on Saturday. After the scrutiny, we will tell you whether you are qualified or not. And I meant for President Baroe, the same words I will for to all political parties. I just want to make that point very clear to everyone. May you understand. But Sam, let them be a clue to me. President Barola Diamo be a clue to Walto. I come for IEC J. Ako IEC call approval killing. William reflected. Left a Gambian call, Kalama and some diamond, the Wallen Yunduko. Gambian ko base hakil dunyun do ya jam time me alon ko na nomination wala ay kuma memfo aluma marinjaye ay memfo IEC the same word President Barrow from benu wole fo kam IEC kono you can see and now President Barrow ni ya jam is copy and paste ñun mo len me alon ko mo kilon ala diamo ni was to threatening IEC ala diamo ni there is a connotation nyaajibe ala diamo ni fenne be duma ala diamo ñu kono kababe diam kan ay sinkole gamien ko be sa culture an yaaji be kalabe interview la so kalabe interview fanan na jonne so la ñu nga komodo la Ahmed Ba kay kana jabi don't answer if you go back to the interview ba jala Ahmed Ba ning jonne so le par exemple baro ñu nga Ahmed Ba bu ko song wala at some point brother ibajala president Barrow be abe yin ka diala aka jolli sol ka ke break ke stop because naka Ahmed Ba be lori akomale Ahmed Ba ka fa ko don't answer because Ahmed Ba mon left president Barrow because you can see how these people are becoming dictators how can Gambian culture aklodu e be ke kam multi million ko e mo tajiran e be ke kan tajiran tewulti nyame e be ke kam multi million ko e mon left ka ñun karol nun jabro jabe ka bu jolli sol bulo kono wo kono at the same president Barrow gab jono solo anyun ka ila sota fe memu bayring ala usunda bo akoyla soto fe wonyum pour sa a banku dungule ba kalama bayring be tlam modi mi alongo tlam banku mo le president di bara ko mandere dam mala ako all political party momo ya lonko e mu political party o nyim banko kanjang e mu aspiring candidate olti ila soto fe nyanta ka mutal ya declare to the Gambian people pesa marola jabilo kede men wala nyundo ko atlo soto fe amanta ka muta ala soto fe woni amanta ka tan di public la ate men ke wala nyundo ko ako IEC la requirement ko na be jela ka submit akata ya submit to the IEC but atimanta mutala katandi jamara mahmanola wala katandi Gambian ko lako te mo mo leti me ya lonko ala so defo mu nyinni neti naaje ne diamol ke o koldo gambe jonoli sol bejele gambe jonoli sol nyin karola woti na expect lako bi jonoli sol be nyanta ka safero ke kaje ko ka pesa maro kondem minati na man lafi pour comme ala so defo mu fomenti bayre Gambian ko lakala domoro jo Gambian ko laka ko be kae oto president baro agenda kala so defo nyum mudala ka be tan di Gambian ko la jonli solu na nyinna fina na espeko jonli solu nyanda ka make sure ka president baro nyinin ka bula noma ala so defo mu fenfenti banko kanyan kabrin moto lem bank kabrin bungol lem bank kabrin fonfe yalo ngata tamuati agenda ka tan di Gambia dingol la pour Gambian ko so lanno so tae pour ka katora ka faye bari mbe akala mu don janda ya jambe kabra kana mansala tay mum fe mantala bulu bar kababe boka mansala wato men ya jambe kada million nayati wala yatin dada jana commission to so wala tin ko Gambian ko Gambian wala Gambian ko be lafle nyina la wala nyundi ko president baro fana asala so de fon munda ya tan di Gambian ko la bar joni sulu nyina ka wala la manson joni sulu nyina ka ku jama fana na ate president baro atata ka balanka jabiro ko joni sulu ko ma jamala but in fact amak ba me ya longo wala malam tourism minister te akeda modi me ya lonko ba bala ka president baro ko kana la nyina karon ni jabiro jabi ban lefta melo don Gambian ko be se melo wala nyundi ko IEC mu independent body la de na lo ko tonya do kudla mol katara je mol mel ya lonko mol katara do kudla de mel ya lonko e katara ka onna mani na ka kadum katinyaro ka do kudla do bal lefta Gambia dingo be la nyin nako IEC mu independent body leti anu IEC lo independent body na jugoto ko inshallah e boy tan la Gambian ko la lefta Gambian ko be la nyin nako mo kana sila mo soto kaje ko IEC be tulum bal ya la Gambia dingo la karde fayola karola bari ni ajibe karde fayola kila karola nyim bango kanjang be tambo men wala nyundi ko e ka karto fayda men ka konti woleto oda ni ata karto ka konti dam aka fayda men ka konti woleto oda sa IEC be sunyaro kala nyaadi le Gambian ko mbella na yaadi la Gambian ko lako Gambian ko be sunyin lonko sunyaro nyanda kala bunda men to wala bunda de me alonko karte fay kayto ka nyinda men to bari be tambo men ko no kate fay kayto nyindula nyinto Gambian ko lotale UDP ko lotale kaje ko Gambia banko dungul don wala be kayto sotola anu metam momedo Gambia banko dungul don le kayto soto anu Gambia banko dungul wala moti mel ya lonko wala be kayto fayla lume ya lonko ka pole on the 4th of December be menten la Gambia dungo be la wala nyinduko momo ya lonko mu Gambia dungulati momo ya lonko lefre nyim banko la nyato talela ibe la kataw dila mol la me ya lonko ya lon kan wolonde ibe la kataw dila mol la me ya lonko ila jiko bayela ko abe nyim Gambia banko mutala ba sambal lefta banko ita damendo ni ajibe nyim banko kan right now na jara kende abunda kete dula damenta lon ka tinyatal ni ajibe nyim banko kan temendo na security bunda mu dula damenta lon ka tinyatal ni ajibe nyim banko kan be damendo bi na badiya na malu pour na kuka nyokan kula me ya lon ka tinyatal ni ajibe nyim banko kan bi dictatorship amin tribalism wala siol damal ke dundi nyola kula me alon asemba be warale mbakele anu jumalle bo nyaton kaya kan wala molti wala parti me alon ko ka fole ko MPP ani APRC amanda wondrona parti me alon ko be covering MPP ma mbebe control ko be mo parti me alon ko parti la nyundi parti me alon ko il bela miro momento wala nyundi ko kanyim banko ta ka du nyokon IEC ngoyo ko ni aje ntakun nko lata IEC lale na nyilolon ko IEC ndala candidate is going to be qualified nte o koyta mala 100% anu ni aja naji ko soro IEC to wala nyinde ko IEC manyi mira ka foko IEC e be lafla kanyim banko dunu trouble kono manyi mira be lafla kanyim banko dunu dimba kono wala nan ko IEC mbete moment folo lata la folo bari membe je wala nyinde ko ndala candidate memo lo ya Usain Dabote ala carte ala kayto ay be sambala ay be submit in fact ay kuke nyim banko kan ku me ya lon ko mu nyon tawlati kaje ko atlo soto fo mu fanfere ninti ay be mu ay tandi Gambia dungola Gambia dungo be nyaajele ay janyan Gambia dungul kanne ala motolem bang ala ibina ala siro membala bun kono ala laro membala bun kono ala siro membala ofso kono ay be dikla Gambia dungulele ka tandi lako ndol ya Usain Dabo nyinni wala mutatade ala kordabe daw trending kabina ala kordabe be pipeline nembang kabina ala kordabe ya lon ko wala be kotu kabina ala kordabe ya lon ko wala be kembujen be ala ko rame ala ko wala be bansan ala so dafa mo fon fere ni e mina ala bank account to ala konto me ala ko wala ba ala bank account to na ndolla president ndolla kanino memu la o sen daboti ayo fo mo a tandi gamian ko la ka tandi ko nyina mun so dafa wonti nali e banko dinna ni la fo fere ni soto men tambi da nyinna alin na so dafa mo jibe na so alin kisi na so do nyamen o mo banko dum la right lede o don ndolla hit essential honde bu la o sen dabo ay men tandi banko dum la banko dum man banko sino ka diala folo ay men tandi la wala nyindi ko wala mulana yati ban men tan no gambe dum be la wala nyindi ko IEC mo kana koronte lo kodo IEC mbesa haklo ti lo kodo do mbesa duwani nako banko la nyatata wala ko de me yalon ko wala mun to le be duwati IEC njigna ko mo mel fana be do ko la je nen do tlimbayata do man ta tlimbayala bukan be yalla lako nta folo ko ne o dala fana na jugo be nyinte ko IEC e be laare NPP la pati o kam nsanyin la ko atake la ko men ka ko NPP dongo damal wala be do ko MP IEC mu dula damante yalon ko pati o dingo be la be do ko la or wala nan ka ko gambien ko le ko mo kana silang IEC la ko la mo kana IEC la silang ko ta ya dundi la support sono mo kono me la ñu nako IEC mu bodi me yalon ko e be flenna gambia dingul temale wala nan takko ngafo ko IEC la telale wallahi suma wallahi meñum pala gambe dimo be ko mbesa ñu mutako ay sita hañula kanyum banko mutaka bala dimba kono oto wolon kodi me alon ko lefta e koy banko dimo be ma pour mbesa alon ko ñunon kodi me alon ko wala be keñu ni ale ni osama sibidlo albamo le ko na kanile do memo la o sendamo de avec la modi me alon ko e be kaydo di la ka fay ko you are qualified to be the president to contest into our 2021 presidential election monsieur kunze commando ta ko nge nimel mo me commando ke ga commando ke no ko nge 288 5588 288 5588 288 5588 ala baraka bag alsu komando ko dang
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. Bayo.
Wa alaikum salam.
Yo, chabe ta da lokaci la kumul ka bita ba ko don bari ndela mira lo do adam baro ko ala da men kali jeri mal ta ko ala lo adam baro be indi pe ada sama sila mal be to badi mol malo mol walo gambe walo
Abanda.
ko ala da awra jumal ta ko ala lo
Abanda. Thank you very much.
Mo kana jaka sakli hulo mo to mo kana kil hulo to because mo be alo ko ale so government abe siro ala baraka ba.
Thank you. Mbade mo ilo jabiro be dada bake adam baro ko alfa da mun man juma ko alfa le bismillah assalamu alaikum
Wa alaikum salam Bayo Sonko.
bismillah
Yo assalamu alaikum Bayo Sonko.
wa alaikum salam be na moy kan
Yo ni bara ko rimba ko tonande.
alhamdulillah
Wallahi birim kunum be ko mande kam prona dia bu bar ala yaje mandun no biyo ay. Ko saka rek nga dum programme to ko.
bismillah
Wallahi ka jakku mo ya ta bake ye kuma kende palle fo bari ndebe ndala fadi amula gambe no le bi
okay
kadu ko bi ko men gada IEC wo dama ya tan di mo la ko bi gambiano be nyata ko dila adam barola mo ma nyana la adam barola bi
thank you
kadu ko ni ama baro mo sakati
thank you
yemen soto aymen soto anyata ka itan di mo la aya fo gambiano le ate muna bata bulu ya fam janni molbe dunna karre fayo kono ni atrate mo masa tilindi moldi man sam ya ko tenga minol bi gambiano la mo ma nyanna ka faye ko woyno ila fengol anila nafulo afomole ila aseto declare ya itande mo la ko nyine beta buluino yalla no bari mo mutilingol ti anu nyata ko kendo nyato ko kenda iba gambia nyinin kam inyata kama wala nyama ya fa di gambia no be nyata ka ko di adam baro la lay no kadu ko amanka modi me ya lon ko ajata pour nga gambia na suluta na karfan amantiling ndebe men fula gambia dingole nyina musangol di me ya lon ko asamo gambia dimo be nyata ka fula nyomale ibe pro la nyokan nga tonya fasa ngana so nga fania fasa ka ko nyumolo iman ka tonya tungol dino yalla ne ba fania tungol la mudi man ka na atara tonya tungol la mudi adam baro nyanda kala asedo declare ay tan di gambiano la te mune babulu no ay tan di gambiano la ko ate mune soto janni atara kare fo bina komi loya usino numukunda dabo ya ke nyamen anyanta ka ko la nyama.
No, I believe ko genuine journalist olu, they will criticize him and they will call for his for access declaration. I believe every genuine journalist will ask for it because natra atamanson ka fintin de bida IEC le, and they will go to IEC and demand for it because the law says now every journalist have right to go and ask for any public document. So ni atamanson bankole loi nyum foko journalist be banko kan ye loi sotle esembo sotle kataka fengo nyinka fon fen yalon ko public la tamu banko be tamati ye ray sotle pour ka nyinka from IEC. So nata man son ka adi gab journalist la ndalon ko journalist sol bitale ya kiskisi ya bondi ani be par exemple barlo sotle fengo nyi ba betan la gambia dum la le sunyaro me ya be ka bebe lan kenema la gambia dum male gambia dum balon la jumalen par exemple barode gambia dum balon la nyinga ay na banko na fulo ay kasaro men kala bara baraka baki modu fana be kol ke ka baraka. Thank you.
Baraka bake bayo so ka baraka bake baraka
2885588 2885588 2885588 2885588 badolu call be sharing babiton actually mboka call be tano fanan wala mboka call be tano, but the few we can take we will take that one inshallah by Gambia column dentalale cemel call back no be call back lale ni mam men fanan call back no fanan ala assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Bismillah.
Imbal wadi.
Bismillah. Jamu mol be la mol mo jana be la no bismillah.
Yo comme mo ni dada ko me alan to nya man tere ja bakala ba.
Bismillah mbuge moy e kan wala fa
kafo me alon ko me amalu anin tonya ala bakala bang.
Sahih. Bismillah.
Wata bala ni ala sonda wala kema ya tam mo lale anda ko dale affaire inshallah wata bala ni ala sonda.
Inshallah baraka. Thank you very much. Thank you. Kafo mel lota bataro kan akate bataro le kono alo ilo kumo tonyalti kafo nyel lota nyamen abe tela wala nyama ilo kumo tonyamal 288 5588 bismillah. Assalamu alaikum.
Maaleykum salam kamoy
memo kam bismillah.
ngo boy tega yu fa Fadi Camara kana songa akata la lo adabo Fadi Camara betale
Bismillah.
Fadi Camara akana songa akata lo adabo akata lo adabo last ya fonga lo adabo ngatala mon kontan wala Fadi Camara betale akana songa akata lo adabo Fadi Camara jaw baldi
Inshallah.
ante amu jaw baldi ba dafa wolo sa kan lo adabo dal mi la dem ko gamelo ko on sa mu nya gam gamelo lek akana lo adabo kan nyobala Fadi Camara beta
Inshallah.
Yo, mo beta boy mo nya gam jaw boy kan lo adabo la kan lo adabo tan what
Me aglot lo next time inshallah ta sonna ni lo adabo en dal yamoy.
Facebook ko kan nyawro le ak mo kan fanle barka mo na lo adabo bane ko akala Facebook ko you know mo dia boy sai mo sinna barka boy mo ko understand
Inshallah. Baraka baga. Thank you very much. Toko Fadi Camara kana so ay nagi excellency la dabola melo la dabo is somebody me alonko abukala kamu malundi but biton men kata ko kala le bayre mo la mu men na mo me alon ko akiko ni kala wala potole bayre partition bota so la ka patio samba na le men diman inshallah men kata ko kala pour ka wala ke na bal ala bi iznillah 2885588 2885588 2885588 2885588 2885588 number to call is 2885588 2885588 2885588 direct number buka siga buka direct number siga no the only numbers zaman siga no is WhatsApp because my phone no use kan the direct number bolo kono so I think by Franco Vela Sita two Sita saying bedan la janne bedan la janne for what ko the number to call is neon call direct number la to tasikala no the only numbers zaman sikano wala mo the only numbers zaman sikano wala mo I can only pick WhatsApp numbers. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, Mr. Sobo.
Yes, wa alaikum salam. Network issue. Guys, now I'm better than for another time again. Alna Liberalem, Silvo Shonko, aka Bayo Shonko, Annual Bejang. So we'll stop here till another time. Ala baraka bake mo bijibero janika findro. You try and share the program and have a class in your clinic. By sharing the show will always help us. Kajako Milman program on you for Kalamata Science and Day when I say Kalamuta. So I'm asking everybody to share it. Momo Yalonko Imu Party supporter. Our request is you to share the show. Share the show, share the show. Mon Melialonko, Walla Mantranji can sign thing. Sekamoti Melialonko from the program on you follow la. Ala Baraka Bake, guys, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you very, 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 very. So QTV, QCell Network is gone. QCell Network is gone. I wish throughout today, no network. Anyway, ala baraka bake, baduru, momo ya ko yan sunu jang. Mel man sunu no kana. It's never my intention. Na hama ko momento wala ko ni mo be diam. But the fact is, well, my possible no. So I'm back like ala baraka bake. And thanks for sharing the show. Thanks for sharing the show. Thanks for sharing the show. Let's see. Yes, assalamu alaikum. Yeah, go. To send the local data completely, man.
Wala sa we benyari.
Mela, man.
Ya no woni yada.
Thank you.
Me duara le fo ala ma ala na su si mala ni kare kete.
Yes.
Ya bari la da respond na je me bo me ko ke menga faru kamara la mo.
Okay.
La da wala na faru kamara man la problem of sign thing. Baro man na problem. Let's focus on Baro and his government.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, we forget about Faru Kamara and forget about concentrate on Baro and his government.
No. Farkamara Mangan Dollar issue. I mean, Farkamara is not our issue. Dollar issue is President Barrow and his government. Colors. Don't we have nothing. Don't we have nothing to focus. Our main focus is President Barrow and his government and his affairs. Colors.
Yeah, but I like when Faru Kamara can ask you
No. Come here, no. That is everyone's opinion. Momo la miro la what to draw. So
that's very okay. That's good.
Thank you. Guys, cool jama bale nata, you know. Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Bismillah, bismillah.
Sirfla.
Bismillah, molbe mo kana diam dro.
I love to contribute la daming. Wolam ko journalist ole President Barrow ninka daming I mean for election wala ko to IC la ko to come wol independent ale ni wole fem for drum mo manyana kabala wola odula akawo jakande nyamin temal la odula la.
No. Imala kumomo kodi. Imala kumomo. Ani imala kumomo. Ni mala kumomo nzafo no kotange la moya la kumola. Aya fo nyame. Ako janni akala diamo bang. Ako janaka diamo bang abenyu kumo fola. Ako abatandi la IC la ko itolam reflect ando isa kata ya independent. Isa ke independent people oldi. Yamuel ako IC la mata election wala itolam reflect isa kata ya film mol tema. Bayren Gambian kol be to la jibe kan. ala diam ala ay nyina fo okay but yalon wo o ko nyin anyaji be in psychologically ay kujama bala mira maybe
ha
maybe
ke ngaje moyle
ela mo do mbe ma ko la jera ay kujama bala mira
okay
okay isa mira no ko nyaja be abo fola as a keno at a form is not qualified because of a nominator through NPP ticket menna according to the law NPP mang nomination okay as a party so nyaji be luato luato nyaji be itolu la party is not qualified because context so I believe nyaja be IEC one kan is trying through abe ko mind game abe mind game le play kan IEC kan ma fe understand is playing mind game Gambian call kan IEC
good mbe jele fango noma
good so bari comme ite afunya me wanka wanyama sorry ha
komi mbe damin na yalon komi mol mon hani nte kulle fo bi yalon defana ngalon ko to nyas na ban ko la constitution na min fo pour moy nominate wo saratoli NPP ma timmandi yo sabu kamala ka dandalaro min di akaka kumule kama
ha sahi bum to nyalete
okay en ka jele fo akaka kumule kama so na man tara silaring akadula doli jakayandi ko moñin kono man kumaya
inshallah no wala mu kay inshallah level dombe alimbe o fam don yalon abe comme like ya ni haklo baka ya jembe kabra nomination o kenon at the same word pesa moro men for ya jembe kabra nomination o ka the same word la for IEC ni haklo baka so the same word because abe ya jembe la silo no baka o kuma kilo don afana sele da wala ka inshallah yambe abaraka
okay
wala be jedro guys so pour mo be sa understand o nyama dro abe même fo kan dro wala ko allo even a few word dila kamol advice dro ngo fana be few word dila ko kamol advice comme ñu carte son ko woldo fo ngo ebe few words dila comme kamol advice ñu carte son ko ni o retum so nga be life le we don't okay sorry so guys allow understand on yama let's try to be patient nanamul command draw nanamul we give them more hope ajeko we are winning and we are winning inshallah but between mobe sela multa ye yamari katwe sankol ni oda stop solo be sakata na jamfa wala momo ya lon ko ila mole be alon ka mambambang yakata ya bambandi wala kuma da sign men ko ta gamben kol be nyaawo jele dol manke MPP dol manke flawonti bi o ko ta le gamben kol be nyaawo jele with all their money with all the resources membe bulu we are above them sembolo wateti na crowd la warateti na organization na sembo warateti so that alone is a win but yes still drong mbesa kata drong na namul kumandi wherever our people are na try na ne encourage kajoko we are winning and we are winning walang ko me along ko tul be nyanda ka wala ken na do kodi as we speak in science thing tul be la do ko nyanda kala waleti so ala barka bake kuma tul mel be fijan I have a call from someone else too modo fana ko ne ko den kele janan kata let me see whether I will able to get him but okay, so ala barka bake guys the program will stop la janne for another time. We stop the show here till another time. But Janim Bitadrong, we just want to play this. Janim Bitadrong, la can you play? Pour mobe alamoy mo la ko e man lamoroke it's alamoy no because
IEC. This special interview with Honorable Secretary General and Party Leader of the United Democratic Party. Mr. Dabo, you presented your nomination documents at the IC on Monday amongst fanfare. Your party militants welcomed you. They escorted you from your house to the IEC and then to the stadium. I saw you emotional. Like, let's talk about that experience first. How was the experience like?
I have never felt so humbled. I've never felt so privileged that the Gambian people, a big number of Gambian people, accepted me as leader of their party, but then to go further and anoint me as their flag bearer really humbled me. Not only was my anointment by the UDP so great and so humbling for me, but it's also the endorsement of my candidature by Gambia for All party. I was really humbled by that. And when I saw this sea of people, human beings, all of them in supportive and jubilant mode, I said, but what have I done for me to earn such acceptance, such love from Gambian people? And honestly, I couldn't resist. I started shedding tears. And I started wondering.
I saw you crying. I saw you crying at the stadium. I saw my camera and you took a tissue wiping out tears, holding on the tears. Why were you that emotional? You had seen crowds like that. But
I had seen crowds like that. But then, I reflected back on 1996. And before I left for the stadium, Mrs. Yaya Jallow was with me. And the thought of people like Yaya Jallow, Ansumana Diba, Sidi Asanya, Solo Sanya Lamarong, Singul Nyasi, Sajo Kunjansane, Kunda Kamara, my sister Makalo, those people who left us, who had struggled for this party, who had brought this party to this level, their unfinished work with us. When I think of them, that I wish they were around. For all of us to have witnessed this day. And I miss them out. Particularly my brother and friend, Dr. Boro Suso, who I share meals with virtually every day. I remember, I could recall we would sit here at Maghrib time, brainstorm on the politics of the country in general and the direction of the UDP. So I just wish that they were around to see that occasion.
You also mentioned that over 6,000 women signed your nomination. You said it in an interview, I'm going to be nominated by the Gambian women. Tell us about that. Why did you opt for the Gambian women to nominate you?
Because I have seen that for the past 1.5 decades, how much the Gambian women stood by me, how much they made UDP what it is. It was these illiterate Gambian women who trunk the highway with me, who went through the rice fields, through hilly paths, through thorny paths, from Koina to Katong, from Bara to Pasamas. Illiterate women like Sajo Kunjansane, illiterate women like Aja Sukainaka, illiterate women like Aji Fatu Sekom, illiterate women like Fatu Jame, and several others, Munanjai, name them, several of them. They made United Democratic Party to be what is Fatu Jani, our Fatu Jani. So, because of what they have done, because the strength they have given me, I thought that she should really nominate me. But the men wouldn't allow them to do it alone.
They wouldn't, right?
They wouldn't allow it. But 11,000 plus women subscribed to my nomination paper that I presented the IEC, compared to 6,000 plus for the men. So they doubled the men. And the extra nomination forms that we have submitted, we have more than 1,300 women compared to about 500 men.
What surprised many people, I saw you got out of the car, flanked by MC Chan, flanked by Nogoy Njai. You didn't bring your wives with you. They came anyway, but you got into the same car with Nogoy Njai and MC Chan. How did that come about?
See, Nogoy went through a lot. She is the epitome of Gambian women's resilience. She was tortured, humiliated, yet she got just stuck her guns. She never wavered at any time in her support, in her determination to see a Gambia that she had always yearned for. A Gambia that, her children and grandchildren will live in with respect and dignity. So for me, it was to recognize her immense sacrifice for this nation. And of course, MC Cham, even if Mukunda was alive, he would probably have been with me in the car. 1971, on the 3rd of September 1971, when Mukunda slept, MC Cham stepped into his shoes for me and for all my brothers and sisters. Because he's a father. He's a father. For him to be around me gives me a lot of moral courage. And it tells me that you are not alone. Apart from anything, you have family with you. Yes.
And when we saw the people that escorted you, the young people, the men and women, the young people, aged between 18 to 35, they flanked you. They ran throughout the journey from pipeline to IEC and then back to the caravan. Young people. One of those people could have said, I want to be the candidate. But they said, no, we want our Baba. This is time now. This is the time. When you see young people like that, so passionate about you, what comes to mind?
Well, when I saw young people so passionate, what comes to mind is the enormous burden that should be shouldering, that the expectations that I am expected to really address. And certainly, those expectations are youth unemployment, low quality education in our schools, the inadequate medical facilities, our dying agricultural industry. This is what it reminds me that, what they are telling me is revive the agriculture in this country. What they are telling me is make sure that our hospitals function, make sure that we, the youths, are not betrayed again. This is what the message is. This is the messages that they give to. That is what I read in their enthusiasm, in their passion. When they say Baba for State House, Baba Mbefala Bari Beganyadane, Baba no don't worry, Baba Ganyadane. And it's throughout the country. You go to the countryside, it's the same thing. And Baba has now become like my nickname. Even people much older than me tell me Baba Useno. My big brothers, my elder brother tell me Baba Useno. So, but and these are the things that humble me. their support, their loyalty to me, I equate that as their loyalty to the Gambia, because they believe that I would provide a panacea to the problems confronting this country.
And a few days before your nomination, we saw Honorable Bibi Dawo and the Gambia for All endorse your party, endorse your candidature, endorse the UDP. And what comes to mind? Bibi Dawo, his resume: former ambassador, former vice president, former minister, you name it. Everything you talk about, when it comes to him, he's taken. People always say Demba is okay in Kiang. People of Kiang, one of his greatest son is Bibi Dawo. And he said this is not about party politics. It's about the soul of the country. When somebody like Bibi Dawo endorses you for president, what comes to mind?
Well, when Bibi Dawo's endorsement, GFA's endorsement, let me say, two things come to mind. One, as it affects BB and the GFA, it only demonstrates their sense of patriotism, that nation comes first before anything, and that it is not time to really be any spoiler. We must all work together to free our country. And I tell you, in the presence of a gentleman, one person, Bibi said, look, I'm not interested in any office. I don't want to run for any office. All I want is to make sure that proper governance returns to this country, that our economy starts functioning well, that corruption is fought against. That's all I'm interested in. I'm not interested in any office. And his colleagues in the GFA, none mentioned that what happens if we win the elections. None. So for them, all of them, is Gambia first. They see Gambia. And certainly, to be endorsed by Bibi Dawo, the presence of Bibi Dawo's caliber and personality, again, is humbling for me. And it also makes me feel proud. And it encourages me to really work harder. And that I would also, as I have always promised, I would also put country first when we win the elections.
Mr. Dawo, when you presented your nomination at the IEC, you promised, you challenged President Barrow and all other candidates to do a public assets declaration. And you promised the media to publicly have access to your assets declaration that you presented to the IEC. Now, I mean, this interview is about that, to have you tell us, what did you declare at the IEC?
Well, I know that the documents presented are up for public scrutiny, but I'm not too sure. I do not think that there will be any more interest in scrutinizing the documents. I promised the media that I was going to give them my assets declaration, but I was not given the opportunity to do so before I left the IEC, because of I think I was nearly being mobbed by the press, by the media.
You know. We wanted to hear from you.
Yes. I really appreciate that. You know, I have presented my assets declaration, including all my bank balances.
Wow.
Yeah, including my bank balances, and if the IEC wants to have, the bank statements themselves, they are here, they are available, which I'll give to them. but the bank balances are declared, and my assets, my properties, except for one I acquired this year in home, Bansang, Concourse Santo, I call it Concourse Santo. All what I have declared were what I had when I became minister in 2017.
So you had those before you became minister?
I had those before I became minister, and I made the declaration to the ombudsman as required by the code of conduct. Yeah? And I have one additional acquisition, which was done, which I got just about 2 months ago, because in Bansang. So I have presented this, and I am I have made photocopies which I was going to give to the media.
Yeah.
So yeah, here any member of the media who minds, you can come. I'll give you a copy.
Okay.
You know? And I'm challenging all those who have presented themselves as candidates to also make available to the media who would take their microscope and look at them, you know, with very inquiring and inquisitive minds. And of course, after doing that, if anyone wants to come to me to ask, but how about this, how about that?
How did you get any of them?
I will be quite willing. I'll be quite willing to answer them, because I acquired all those things before I became before I became a public officer.
To say, you said the documents that you presented on Monday to the IEC are the properties you have acquired before you become minister in 2017.
Yes, in 2020.
Apart from the one that you got in Bansang.
Yes, in 20. Yes, no, just a few weeks ago.
Few weeks ago.
Okay. Yeah, few weeks ago. Yes, you know, in fact, my latest acquisition before I became a minister was in 2015. 2015. Yes, 2015. But it's available, and I'm asking President Adama Barrow to really make his asset declarations, as I have, to make it available to the press. I'm making mine available to the press, so that any speculation about him having acquired assets during the period that he was president, and which acquisitions might be the subject of speculation of impropriety and so forth, dispel that. Let him do the same thing. Let him do the same thing. We all, I presume that, you know, in 2017, he also made declarations to the ombudsman. And then the properties, if he did not acquire any property after that, if he acquired any property during the period that he was president, you know, he should say how he acquired it. That there was no improper use of office.
How did you acquire the one you get in Bansang? If you were challenging President Barrow, how did you acquire the one you just got?
You know, my uncle is Dalkalo of Bansang.
Okay.
But Bansang Munda Sate already. My uncle is Dalkalo, Allah is Dabo. You know, so he allotted to me and my brother, yes. So that is it. Yeah.
So you're challenging all candidates,
particularly President Barrow.
Why President Barrow?
Because he holds the highest office in this country. He should be role model for all people aspiring to that office. He is there. He should tell us that, look, you have to do things the way I have. I'm doing things with probity and not allowing my integrity to be questioned. So you cannot do otherwise. Ousainou Darboe, Halifa Sallah, Mama Kandeh, Cheikh Tidiane, all the presidential aspirants. I am setting the bar for all of you in terms of probity, in terms of integrity, and of course our acquisitions should also throw some light on our probity. Do that. No.
All right, Kefatu will have a copy of that.
Yeah.
So our team of reporters will look at that and just make sure.
And any question they want to ask, they can come back to me.
They can come back.
They can come back to me.
Yeah. And finally, Sidawa, I know I traveled with you, with my team to Dogo and Bansang to do a documentary about you, the man, Mr. Dabo, and which was aired last week. And I mean, there was a lot of reaction to that. How would you think you were portrayed in that documentary?
Well, I think Hussein Dabo was presented in his natural way. There were no embellishments. It was Hussein Dabo, period. But my family, where I carry on with my family, with my friends, with my professional colleagues, is what is stated. And I'm sure there are several other people who have something to say also about me. Even politicians who are on the opposite camp. And one, with honesty, will not say anything demeaning about Hussein Dabo. Certainly. And I really got
when you watch your children,
yeah. When I watch my children, when I watch my children, it really got me. Nafi, Papadi, Jojo. I could see Jojo fighting back, tears. Yeah, and of course, Yama was cool and calm, but then you could see she was suppressing, her emotions. And of course, when I saw Fanta on the screen again. I recollected when we all sat, on the bare floor at the PIU, very dusty, bare floor, and cuddling each other. I started to see, it really works something in me. Yeah. But Alhamdulillah, I think the Gambian people in charge. I know some people have some terrible opinions about me. I know people have said that I take people's children out to demonstrate. I leave my own children behind. But then you could see Nafisatu on the screen, shouting. Because Fanta, she is the first child of the house. But anyway, this is politics. You can fabricate and malign people, but at least you have history recorded. And when that is revealed, it debunks and falsifies claims that you have made against persons. Yeah.
And finally, when I get in the campaign, nomination is over for you. Public scrutiny also on Saturday. Are you optimistic that your nomination will go through?
Well, we've submitted all the relevant documents. In fact, even but the
documents, though, I kept asking on social media, why all these files? How will the IEC have time to read all of that?
We segregated.
Okay.
We had North Bank region separate.
Okay.
Banyu administration.
God, leave it.